Jellyfish have drifted along on ocean currents for millions of years, and they are abundant in cold and warm ocean water, in deep water, and along the coastline. Jellyfish is a marine planktonic member of the phylum Cnidaria, which is a group of invertebrate animals, and they have medusoid body form. Jellyfish squirt water from their mouth as they move forward, with tentacles hanging down from the smooth back-like body and sting their prey. Most of the jellyfish feed on copepod, fish larvae, and other small animals that have been catched with their tentacle, and some however simply suspension feed, which the animal and phytoplankton are extracted from the water. They have stinging tentacle with sting cells that is called nematocysts and can paralyze the prey. Jellyfish don't purposely attack humans, and most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish. These stings can be painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous that it can be deadly.
Firstly, the jellyfish will be processed within few hours of capture. Then, the umbrella and oral arms of jellyfish will be separated immediately after catching. After that, the bell will be split up, as that consists of a large part and also small part. When the jellyfish are taken out, they have a high water content, so the jellyfish will be put into a pond to slowly dehydrate them for 3 to 4 hours. This process is like a spin dryer. The jellyfish will be preserved with salt and alum with ratio of 110 pounds of salt to 3 pounds of alum. During this process, the texture of jellyfish goes from jelly-like to rubbery. The alum acts as a disinfectant and makes the jellyfish firm. Meanwhile, the salt will reduce the water content and stops bad bacteria from growing. After a week, the jellyfish will be dry for 24 to 36 hours. Then, it will be put in a brine and packaged. If you store it for a long time without brine, it will not retain a certain level of saltiness and go soft. This is because jellyfish are mostly water, and without the brine, they will wither over time. Therefore, it is recommended to eat the jellyfish within a year of production. To eat the jellyfish, first cut them into pieces, and then soak them until they are not bitter or salty. After that, dry the jellyfish and add some scallion oil. Usually, restaurants serve vinegar chili jellyfish. They will add the marinade on top after soaking the jellyfish, and finally it's ready to eat.
Jellyfish is known to be dangerous to humans as their venom contains toxins that paralyze and digest prey but also cause pain and tissue destruction in humans. Jellyfish could bring harm in many ways. The first one is bring impact to the fishing industry. The natural jellyfish predators such as bluefin tuna and sea turtle are disappearing because of overfishing and plastic bags that infest the sea. The jellyfish population growing drastically without its predator and competition for food. Jellyfish blooms have damaged the fishermen by clogging nets or attacking fish farms. Other than that, jellyfish also cause disruption of power plants. Although jellyfish may seem like powerless drifting plastic bags in the ocean, they could be devastating in large numbers. Aurelia labiata clogged the cooling water system of the Diablo Canyon nuclear power plant, shutting down the power plants for 3 days. And so, the population of the jellyfish could be controlled by inventing more of jellyfish products.
Jellyfish blooms are increasing around the globe. It has the ability to reproduce rapidly under favorable conditions of high temperature. Due to climate change, the earth temperature is increasing. There are few solutions to overcome the overpopulation of jellyfish. First, to produce food products from jellyfish, for instance, jellyfish noodles, snake, and salad. Second, to limit pollution that can cause ocean warming, ocean acidification, and eutrophication. Third is to control fishing to increase the number of predators that feed on jellyfish. Next is to use chemicals that kill polyps that settle on the port and hull. Last but not least, to reduce coastal development.
Our group ran a survey on production of jellyfish by sharing the link through WhatsApp. The survey consists of personal information such as age, status, gender, and race, and it consists of 5 questions that related to the jellyfish, which is question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. The survey had been answered by 47 responses. Majority are teenagers from 18 to 25 years old at 91.5%, and mostly is a student with 87.2%, in which cover 41 responses. 78.7% our responses are female and 93.6% are from Malay. From the first question, we can conclude that most of them know what is jellyfish, but more than half do not know what product can be made from jellyfish. This shows that people nowadays lack on the knowledge of jellyfish. From 47 responses, 15 of them vote for food, 1 for fertilizer, medical product, and diapers, while another one for both medical and food. From this, 78.7% agree that jellyfish is dangerous. But the fact is, only 2% of jellyfish are dangerous to humans. And lastly, 42 out of 47 responses agree that we should not kill the jellyfish.
To conclude, jellyfish is important animals in the ocean because turtles and large fishes feed on jellyfish and also provide habitat to juvenile fishes.